I have a lot of customers, they walk in with beads, and when we talking about cleansing their skin, and they said, oh, don't worry about it, I have a beard. So, and then I would say, wait, so this is exactly the treatment for you guys. In some culture, you can shave the hair, or some people even prefer to keep the beard, right? Which is very fashionable these days. So of course we have a treatment for you guys. We can clean between each layer of this and the hair to clean the pores, and of course it helps a lot to hydrating your skin, because at the same as it sucks the skin, be infusing a vitamin, right? It's good for like some people get ingrown hair, okay, because they don't have a chance to clean between the beard, right? So it helps a lot to prevent getting ingrown hair as well. Definitely the result going to be your beard going to be much cleaner. You're going to be more hydration on the skin, and as I said, prevent getting ingrown hair.